Okay, so these are walking lunges, okay? Gonna keep them very, very simple. Almost identical to a normal lunge like this, okay? Making sure neither knee hits the floor. That would be an incorrect lunge. I don't want the knee to touch the floor. But all I'm doing is I'm walking through the movement, okay? So here's, say, for example, an alternating lunge. Down, lunge, back up again. I swap leg, down, back up, okay? That's not what I want to do. What I want to do is I want to walk in lunge. So I start lunging like this, down into the lunge. But instead of me stepping back, I step forward into the next lunge, okay? The knee does not touch the floor. I stay relatively low to the ground hips-wise, okay? So I'm not doing this. I'm not going into the lunge and then standing up completely in between where I lose tension and then dropping back in. I'm trying my best, if possible, to stay quite low. So I'm here, like that, okay? That will make them more difficult, okay? Make sure that your feet are quite wide, so I'm not lunging like this on a tightrope. I have some balance in my legs. I'm lunging like this, then into the next one, okay? Like that. Those are walking lunges, and you can hold weights in your hands as well.